श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि. Shodasayudha Stotram of Swami Desikan. We are really blessed to enjoy each sloka thanks to the instruction or as ordained by Sri Veeravalli Raghunathan Swami during this month of Margazhi. After Shodasayudha Stotram, we would take up the Sudarshanashtakam. So today is the 16th shloka. The 16th shloka is on the divine weapon by name pestle. Pestle is in Sanskrit mushalam. Musalam. Pestle is a kind of a grinder in a crude translation. And pestle is like a ulakkai in Tamil. Is a small heavy tool with a round end used for crushing the grains, crushing the food into powder in a special bowl called mortar or ural in Tamil. So உணவுப் பொருள்கள் ஆகியவற்றை உரலில் இட்டு இடித்து நசுக்கி தூளாக்க பயன்படுத்தப்படும் உருளை வடிவ முனையுடைய சிறிய கனமான கருவி pestle, a small tool, ulakkai. So this is called musalam. So let's enjoy the slokam, the 16th verse. Yadyadikshota shalitvam musalo yena tenavaha hetisha musalenashu vidhyatam moha mausalam. Here the musalam, which is a divine weapon of Sudarshana Alvan, due to the transformation of the power of this divine weapon into other pestles of this universe. Whatever the ulakkai, the musalam that we see, the pestles that we see in this universe are taking the power from the original musalam which is being held by Sudarshana Alvan. So, and it simply crushes the powders, whatever that it requires to be powdered. And tena, that particular hetisha musalena, the Trivaliyalvan's pestle, the Chakratalvan's pestle, may this ayudam remove quickly, immediately, all your moham, ajnanam, the ignorance, the avidya, the wrong knowledge, the non-Vedika knowledge, and may it remove the ajnanam, which is the cause of all troubles that we have today. So, this particular ulakkai, mushalam, pestle would completely remove all your confusions, ajnanam, ignorance, and then may all your obstacles, the troubles, be simply torn apart or broken apart, simply be crushed. So this Chakratalvan, Perumal takes a sankalpam, this Chakratalvan will be my divine weapon for this deed. And Chakratalvan would send this musalam, and that musalam will come and completely get rid of all our hurdles, challenges in attaining Perumal's lotus feet. It would get us rid of our ajnanam and facilitate us to reach him through the Sadacharyan, through the Acharyan. So, Atikshoda Shalitvam. So, Chud is the dhatu, which means crush, hit. So, these grains get completely hit and stamped by this mushalam. But some grains may escape the hit by simply getting from the tangent of that bottom of the mushalam on the mortar. So, but here this particular mushalam would not leave even a fraction of the ajnanam to be crushed and removed. In the Pannirinamam, in the Urdhva Pundram, Madhusudanan is the name. Chatur Mushalam Abjabam Shamsraye Madhusudanam. We have the Dhyanam of Madhusudanan, who has got four hands, and in all four hands he has the Mushalam, the pestle, as the Ayudam in his hands. And he has got the color, the Trimeni Divyamangala Vigraham form. The color of that Trimeni is red lotus like flower form, the color. And he is facing the southeast, and he is the chief of the southeast direction. So when we adorn our right bhujam, the right arm, the urdhva pundram, Trimankapu, we say Madhusudan. We utter the name Madhusudan. So 8 hands or 16 hands, Chakratalvan, or so both 8 or 16 handed Chakratalvan, this Mushalam is being held by Chakratalvan. Dvadasanama Panjaram also said, Agreyam Aravindabo Musali Madhusudanaha. Even the Dvadasanama Panchara Stotram Purastat Keshavapadu, and in that this slokam comes. Mushalyaha, which means some people are 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 destined to be destroyed by Mushalam, and hence they are called Mushalyar. So the enemies, the Rakshasas, are to be saved or to be destroyed by the Mushalam, the Ulakai, the pestle. Vishyo Vishena Yo Vadhyo Musalyo Musalena Yaha. In Vishesha Nignavargam, Amarasimhan mentions that Mushalam is the Karvi, the Chakratalvan's Karvi, the Ayudams. And hence Swami here talks about this Mushalam. Mushalam is the round bottom, a stick like stuffed pestle, ulakai, and is hit on the mortar. So, what would it do, this Mushalam? Mushalam is will get us rid of the Ajnanam, and it also facilitates us to crush the grains, and it also completely removes the Pashandi, the non-Vaidika, Avaidika matams, and it is when it is hit on the mortar, it gives auspiciousness. The elders say the sound of the ulakai on the ural, the sound of the pestle on the mortar itself is so auspicious. Even Adishankara Bhagavad Pada, the Adishankara, he wrote a work called Moha Mudgaraha, and in that he talks about Govinda, and in each sloka, and hence it is also called as Bhaja Govindam. In that he says the moham, the desires, the ajnanam needs to be removed, and for that, to get rid of the moham, one needs to have the pestle from the Sudarshan Alvan, from the Perumal, and which happens only by Perumal's kripai. And Madhusudanan can give us, shower us with the grace, so that we get his kripai. And this is the way Mushalam helps us to accomplish whatever that we can accomplish by getting us rid of the ajnanam, the ignorance. And Swami Srivat Sankachar mentions a story here. Gargar Maharishi, who was also very well versed in Jyotisha Shastram, the astrology, and hence he in the Gopas went to him. The Gopa boys, they were teasing, they wanted to play with him, they wanted to have a prank with him, with this Garga Maharishi. So one boy went along with his gang. He went and asked, he dressed one Gopa boy in a lady form, and then he took that boy who was in the guise of lady, and as a girl he dressed him, and then he took that boy in front of Garga and said, he has or she has conceived, What do you think, Guruji? Will she have a boy or a girl? And the Rishi looked at the boy. He very well knew that they are telling a lie and they are playing with him. So they are teasing him. They are mocking at his skill. So he knew very well. And he said, "Kulattai kedukka ulakkai pirakkum." He cursed because he was angered by their play. So he said, only the pestle will be born out of him. And obviously, he actually conceived and he had pestle immediately on his lap. So that pestle, once it was born, they did not want to show to the elders or inform the elders of their pranks. So what they did, they tried to break that pestle, crush that pestle, and get rid of that pestle. And till till the end, the little portion they could achieve that, but finally a little portion was left out, and that little portion was left out there and they went home. This curse of the rishi in Prabhasa Kshetram, Yadavas who did not know this curse, they they finally beat each other and then they died, says Maushala Parva and Puranams. So this story says this Musalam became Kulattai Kedukka Vanda Kodali Kambu. So whoever thinks wrongly or wants to have a cheating or prank or mocking at the elders, the sadhus, would end up becoming like this. So we should never ever commit Bhagavata Vacharam. Adiyen. कवितार्किक सिंहाय कल्याण गुणशालिने श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः. धन्योस्मि.